Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you how we run our team inside of Superthread. So if you don't know already, Superthread is basically a issue tracker with tasks and docs together organized inside of spaces. So let's begin. This is Superthread, and here is a space called product. We create spaces for teams. So product is a space for a team called product, and here's one for front end, here's one for back end, here's one for design. But you can also create spaces for features that you're making. But basically, it's a way of organizing tasks and docs together. And inside of product, we have a bunch of boards. High-level roadmap, product triage, and shipped. And as you can see, I have the high-level roadmap opened right now. And this is the kind of the very highest level tasks that we need to do. And then inside of these tasks, we have child cards, which can be found inside of the roadmap. That's basically all the epics that we're doing. If you then go inside of epics, what you can see is child cards. And these child cards can be moved up and down. And you can see who's working on these cards and inside of which space these cards are. So you can track progress easily. And they happen to be either in backend active development board or the front-end active development board. So if I open up one of these cards, as you can see, it has a description, has an owner, assignees, here's another one, can upload videos, etc. It's like any other card except that it has child cards. What we have underneath that is product triage. When we are done, we can actually move them from triage to roadmap board. That's basically inside of the product, and also we have shipped. These are all the epics we shipped. Okay, so that's how the product's organized. When we go to front end, what they have is active development, they have backlog, and they have triage. If you escape, once again, you can actually move triage stuff to backlog if you want, and also you can move backlog stuff into to do inside of active development, inside of this multi-board view. What you have underneath the boards is docs, and this is where you can keep documentation, ideas. The way you can add cards to boards is you can just type in C. What I have myself is the customer discovery board, which I use for talking to people. Or you create a quick note that goes to my private space. And then I can find everything using Command K. So I can say, let's say new, and then I can just quickly open this card or page. So once again, on the product, we have high-level roadmap, and then triage, and then shipped. The same goes for front end. We have active development, backlog, triage, and shipped. And the same goes for back end, because we have a separation between our front end and back end. We have active development, backlog, triage, and shipped. By the way, you can also go to it from favorites. You can see that you can open up instantly. Another powerful feature is views. You can create any sort of a view you want. So these are my tasks. And if I click on edit, I exclude the cards which are done. This includes me as the owner, but also you can do the same thing in the board. So you can say filter, where I am the assignee, and it's automatic. Otherwise, if you prefer to view things in a list view, maybe if some people, again, this is fully functional and very powerful. That's basically how we manage Superthread inside of Superthread. Thanks a lot for watching.